Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to edit your fixed asset in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard, you can navigate to the all apps here in the right side menu and open your accounting section, and then you will see fixed asset. Click on it, and then you will see all of your fixed assets. So let's say I want to edit this asset, my land asset. So I'm gonna go to the right side and click the view drop down here. Click on it, and there is option to edit. You can click on it, and then you can just edit it. Maybe you want to change the name, maybe land or my land, just like that. You can add the add description, serial number, or something like that. And also you can change the purchase price and also the purchase dates and also the asset account. So maybe you want to add new to specifically for land, and then you can just click save. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.